Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be working in Kansas and Oklahoma quite a bit. We've been doing some easier work and only spending a day to 2 days on a tower, so we've been traveling around a lot, and here recently we've been able to work on a few cranes. So I got some footage and I figured I would show you guys some crane work and also riding up in the man basket. But it's also fall time here. It's the second week of October and the leaves are changing, the weather's changing, the birds are migrating, and also the bees are out. Basically this is the time for the birds and the bees. We had the birds migrating, then we had the wasps just hovering around us all day. They say that the wasps really don't bother you or sting you whenever they're up on top of the tower, unless you accidentally cover up the wasp. Then of course they'll sting you. One of the guys got stung by a wasp, but other than that they were just flying around us all day. But I'll let you guys check it out. I've been pretty busy working, so I haven't really been recording a lot, but here's just some of the footage that I had and hope you guys enjoy.